Hello everybody, it's me, Device Devil, and today we're playing qwop. I never heard of this game until about this. Oh, okay. No, wait. Oh, okay, there we go. I've already died. I did not do well. Let's try that again. So, the goal of the game, I think, is to get across this line. Shoot. Come on. I tried. Okay, zero. I don't know. We're part of. We're just supposed. I don't know. Okay, one more time. Let's try this again. I am Lakes Mickey. I am running. Come on. I cracked my back. This is a weird game. The controls are okay at best. Oh, wait. Hey, I got a meter. That's good. That's great. I don't know. Oh, it's kind of like Daddy Longlegs, so I'm supposed to beat my best without falling over. And ooh, this is gonna be a great rage game. Come on, buddy. Come on. No, stop. Come on. You take your left foot and then. Ah, heck yeah. We did it. We're doing. Okay, let's try again. No. I went backwards as usual. Let's keep going. Okay. Jesus. There. The cracking noise, though. That's like a pretty good cracking noise. Kind of makes me think of horror movies, because I like horror movies. And, oh hey. Yes! I'm doing things. I am moving ahead. See you later, losers! Haha, eat my virtual dust. 3 meters? Oof. I am just spamming all the keys. To be quite honest, this is the farthest I've ever gotten. If this was the actual Olympics, I'd probably be laughed at or called an inspiration. I don't know. So, yeah. I'm getting farther than this than I thought I would. I think I am doing well at this. I found a definite cheat. So 15 years I go. Oof. I am eating my own hand. Oof. Fingers. Let's see how far I can get. I feel like I've seen this game before, but well, I don't know where. Well, hey, we're all having fun here. I am aware I'm pretty awkward at this. I think I'm gonna end things here. I'll make myself fail. So, yeah. Thanks for joining me on this little adventure. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you whatever I make. So, bye!